What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will be learning about how to organize the ideas in the Claude and how to create the page for those ideas. So it's going to be a very descriptive video to the point. This is the platform that I'm using right now is the desktop application of the Claude, and I'm using the pro version which costs around $20 for the subscription. So it's not that much costly at the moment. Right now, you will see over here, I have written a prompt, a detailed one. First I have, described the role, then the task, what it needs to do, and the formatting rules. After the formatting rules, I have told it to input the data, and after that, the instructions to how to organize it and how to use it to write the page. So after that, it asked me about the ideas, and now that because I'm using it for the conceptual basis and the tutorial basis, I don't have a 5 ideas to run a pitch on. So it should be descriptive, and you should tell the people, Claude, about what sort of idea you have, so it can actually organize it and make it helpful to take out the takeaways and then write the right pitch according to your set of rules and instructions. So if you're writing a prompt, make sure you follow the same syntax: roles, tasks, formatting rules, then input data, then instructions. Now, I have these ideas and the page already listed over here. So you will see that I have one idea about the draft pilot, second for the grid log, third for the idea preventer, predictive churn intelligence for B2B SaaS customer success team, and video production brief that directors actually use, structured mentorship infrastructure for high growth companies. So these are all the things that we can do. And over here you will see that this is a complete pitch, the problem, the solution, the hook. Everything is structured, organized, and the ideas are also organized in the right way. This is how you guys can do it as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.